Normally, if you put down a converter and turn it into a graphical by clicking on the graphical tab and then checking the button, it will create an empty graphical, but it will be a valid one. However, if you've got a graphical that's a non-apply to all arrayed graphical, you can choose between its different elements either by clicking here or by selecting from this drop-down. And if we go to the array editor and change the definition of an array by, for example, adding an element, what we will do is create three different new elements for that arrayed variable. And if we look at that and now go to our invalid equations, we will see this. We'll see there are three different elements of this array that are marked with a big X to indicate that they are invalid. We can either fix those by using this graphical editor, which is a new feature. I could go and select all of those, fix them. This is a little small, and then put in a graphical that I wanted and close, and the model would be okay. Or alternatively, I could do it from here, or go by going through the drop down here.